Y'all better buckle up for this. Sweet baby Jesus. Did we just make this? This sauce is what makes the difference between a yay burger and a bussin' burger. Mayo, whole grain mustard, ketchup, some pickle juice, some pickles, crispy bacon, and a crack of pepper. Can it get any simpler? Now when I'm involved, we make ridiculous flavors. Hog house pork patties, let's go! Into a pan, a twinkle of lube, sliced red onion, a knob of butter, balsamic vinegar, a pinch of sugar, and let them vibe. And don't forget about the salt to the patties. Look at that. In a lubed pan, in goes the pork patty, a touch of salt and pepper, and just give it 90 seconds. Let's make things a bit interesting. A knob of butter, baste for 30 seconds, plastic cheese, and just let it melt. These are the saddest lashes of bacon I've seen. In the same pan, crispify some bacon. Boys and girls, bake your own buns. This part is all about flavor enhancement, which you definitely need. A twinkle of olive oil and toast in the same pan. Now that's how we like them. Toasted. It's assembly time. Bun, the special sauce, a touch of Mother Nature, tomato and onion, the luxurious patty, some pickles, the caramelized onion, crispy bacon, some extra sauce, and crown your king. And there we have it, people!
You didn't get the Pepsi?